Find or read reviews that people are talking about SHIELDIX R001 OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Equipped with a built-in 35,901 DDCs, which far exceeds the 1,000 to 3,000 codes of traditional OBD2 scanners. OBD2 scanner can quickly and accurately read and clear engine DDCs of cars and trucks, eliminating the need to search for the meaning of each DDC on Google separately. This code reader for cars and trucks is perfect for someone who needs auto mechanics tool for professional repairs. Even beginners can easily identify the root cause of vehicle faults. Powerful and professional OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool. Covers almost all essential OBD2 core functions. Read and clear codes, read I/M readiness, and turn off engine light or MIL, view freeze frame, support oxygen sensor testing, freeze frame viewing, retrieve vehicle VIN, battery voltage test, live data stream, and component testing. Note: it doesn't support ABS, TPMS, SRS, or SAS, nor does it have special functions like EPB reset/battery registration/oil reset/ or programming. SHIELDIX R001 OBD2 fixed car diagnostic tool is widely compatible with cars after 1996, US, 2000, EU, 2005, Asia. As long as your vehicle is equipped with a 16-pin OBD2 port and meets the above production time requirements, it can be used normally. But it is not compatible with new energy vehicles, hybrid vehicles, and models that do not comply with the OBD2 protocol. Tip: please verify your vehicle's compatibility before purchase. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.